I participate in research because it really affects my quality of life.
I say yes to research because it makes me feel really good to give back to my community.
Participation means that you're helping to advance the science towards new answers.
The heart of our research is about prevention. It's about what can we do to stop people with asthma or COPD from actually even needing to go to the emergency room. So my core research surrounds the air pollution exposure lab, and it really specializes in recreating exposures that are common in everyday life, such as fire, smoke, or traffic pollution. So we have a very robust group of about 30 individuals who either have asthma, COPD, or are at risk for it, and they help us understand what should be the priorities, how we can change our research design to come to answers that will be more useful for them in their real lives. So VCHRI is an incredible environment for this.
As a scientist, you're always thinking, why are you doing what you do in your laboratory? But as a clinician, I'm talking on a daily basis with my patients. And one of the major questions I'm always thinking, what you as a patient want to see.
Back in the day, researchers worked independently, but now they're working more and more with people living with spinal cord injury. We're helping to shape and influence the future of research design and the way that it's conducted.
Building and establishing relationships with the researchers has really allowed me to trust the research process.
So the approach of VCH with a focus on prevention strategies is really critical to reduce the burden of aging on both the individual as well as society. It really shapes our work in the sense that we ensure that our research is meaningful to the individuals that we serve. We engage with them to better understand what are important to them.
As a study participant, being part of a 12-week HIP program, the physical impacts, I feel so much stronger and I have so much more energy. I highly recommend, if you have the ability to get involved, to do it. It's life-changing.
Research is an essential part of patient care. The idea of my work basically is to bring lab work to patients from bench to bedside. VCHRI is a pro-patient and pro-research organization. We're trying to build an inpatient unit which is focused on complicated immunotherapies, on complicated clinical trials, to deliver it with the best and modern care that we have, and this is the best center for this in British Columbia's VGH. Here we can actually unify and streamline processes to make it easier for clinical trials to happen. It's a vision, it's a joint vision of improving healthcare and to elevate the game here in British Columbia.